Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss what are array iterators. Array iterators are built-in methods to iterate over the elements of an array, manipulate the elements, and return some values. Now let us discuss what is map iterator. So let us take an array with numbers. Let us give some random numbers to this array. Now Now, what is map iterator? Map iterator iterates over the each element of an array and returns the transformed array. Now, in this example, let's transform this array by multiplying each value by 2. Now you can see we got the transformed array where each value is multiplied by 2. And similarly, as a map iterator, we have an filter iterator. What is filter iterator? Filter iterator iterates through every element of an array and returns the element only if the given condition is satisfied. Now let us see what it is. Numlist is equals to numlist.filter. Let us return the value only if it is less than 100. Got the output of this array as 2, 40, 68 and all the elements that are above 100 has been discarded. Now let us discuss what is for each. For each is used to iterate over every element of an array, and for each doesn't return anything, it returns undefined. Now we can see using for each. Now we can see using for each, we have iterated through every element of an array and consoled every element, and the output is 2, 40 and 68. Now let us take a new num list and give the input from 1 to 10. We also have a reduce iterator. Reduce is used to iterate over every element of an array and reduce all the elements to represent a single element. Now let us use reduce over this num list and reduce all this value into a single value, which is the sum of all the numbers in the given array. Now let us discuss every iterator. This every iterates through every element of an array and returns an boolean true. The condition is satisfied by each and every element of an array and returns false even if one element of the array does not satisfy with the given condition. Let is number is equals to. Now let us see. We are using every on this num list. We are checking if the type of every element in this array is a number. And you got true because all the elements in this array is an number and an integer. Now let's discuss what is sum iterator. Sum iterator iterates through every element of an array and sees if at least some elements of the array satisfy the given condition. So in sum iterator, even if one element satisfies the given condition, then it returns true. If none of the elements satisfy the given condition, then it returns false. Now we check if at least some of the numbers in this array are even or not. So since we have numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which are even, we got the output as true. Let us take this new num list and try to sort this using the sort method of the array. Num list dot sort of a comma b and then return. Now you can see we have sorted the values in the ascending order. Now let's try to sort the values in the descending order. To do that, you just need to reverse the condition. That is dot sort of now you can see we have sorted the values in the descending order. Now we have a array named fruits which has list of fruits. Now let us use find iterator over this array and try to find out banana from this array. Now this find iterator iterated through every element of an array and it returned the first occurrence which matched the given condition. Now similarly to find, we have find index which returns the index of the first occurrence which satisfies the given condition. Index 2 is where the banana is present. So if you have liked the content, consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you.